Hello friends. Uh, as we know that because of Corona, government announced that to reduce a little bit syllabus or little bit lessons from your studies. So in this video, we are going to see which lessons are reduced by Maharashtra government uh, from your textbook, or which questions are removed. Okay, uh, some lessons are removed, but the grammar part of all lessons are kept as it is, so we have to keep in mind that things. Okay, grammar part is not removed, only 2-3 lessons are removed, and one by one we will see that. Okay, so first of all we have to know that the reduced syllabus of 2020-2021, okay, because of Corona and lockdown, the school were not open, and that's why government decided to reduce some syllabus from your textbook. And one thing you have to know that which lessons are removed from your textbook, that lessons will not be asked in your final examination. Okay, so mm, this is the page that government provided to school, and these are the page numbers, and these are the activities. In second column you can find that that parts are removed from your syllabus, and the reasons also given there for what these are removed. Okay, some parts are taken for self studies, some parts are repeated, or some parts are for only assignment self studies. Okay, and that's why so many elements are removed from your syllabus. So next we have to know uh, this is the plan B of 10th standard, which is removed from your syllabus because of this lockdown and coronavirus. uh, 1.3 on wings of courage, this prose is removed, but uh, activity number 1 and 2 in warming up, this will be asked in your examination, because this is a grammar part as well. Activity number 6, 7, 9 and 10, this also will be asked in the examination, because this you have to study. This is a grammar part. Okay, grammar part and writing skill, these questions are not removed from your syllabus. But 2.6 science and spirituality, this whole chapter is removed. There is no anyone question will be asked about this lesson. Then 3.4, the will to win, this poem also removed. There may be no anyone question on this poem in your final examination. Then 4.1, think of beauty is a joy forever, this poem also removed from your syllabus. uh, and last 4.6, this is the story, Gift of Majal. This story also removed, but the activity number 10, 11, 12, and 13, these 4 activities uh, have been kept for your studies. Okay, that is the grammar part and writing skill. That's why. So total you have to learn for the 10th standard 6 poems as well, 13 lessons. Okay, and your teacher has to teach you 6 poem as well, 13 lessons for your final examination. Okay, this was the syllabus which is removed from your current syllabus. Okay, now we have to know which questions or which activities removed. That's why we have to open our textbook, and uh, I made little bit marks there, and you have to make that in your textbook. Okay, so next thing we have to know, this is your textbook. Okay, now we have to see which part is removed, which questions are removed. Okay, So this is page number 2. Okay. On page number 2, in warming up, activity first and second. These two questions are reduced from your syllabus. That's why you this only you have to study by yourself. These questions are only for self study, but these are not asked in your examination. Then after that we have to know page number 5. Okay, page number 5, activity number 7. Okay, this question also removed. This will not be asked in your exam. Then page number 6, activity number 10. This also reduced from your syllabus. Page number 6, activity number 10. After that, other chapters, okay, which are not cut by me, that you have to study by yourself, as well as that lessons will be taught to you by your teacher in your school. Okay, page number 13. Okay, page number 13, activity number 9. This question also reduced from your syllabus. Okay, now see page number 14. Okay, activity number 1 and 2. Then activity number 2b. This part you have to study because this is a grammar part. Okay, homophones and homographs. That's why. And this question will be asked in language study for 2 marks. That's why you have to study these. Okay, which I made with blue color, that you have to study. Then on the wings of courage, this whole lesson is removed. Okay, this is a prose, and this is removed from your syllabus because of this corona and lockdown for this year. Okay, then activity number 1, 2, 3 on page number 18. These 3 activities also reduced. Then page number 19, activity number 4 also reduced. Then 5th also. But okay, activity number 6 on page number 19, this you have to study. This is a common question. Okay, that's why you have to study this. Okay, then page number 20, question number or activity number 7, A and B. This is also the grammar part, and that's why this you have to study. This is not removed. Okay, but activity number 8, page number 20, this activity is removed from your syllabus. Okay, but activity number 9, okay, this is a story writing. This is not removed. You have to study. You have to write your story there with title. Okay, this is the important question, but so this is not removed. And question number 10, this also you have to study. This is also not removed. Then 4.1.4, this all poem you have, this all lesson or poem you have to study. There is no any reduction in it. Okay, see page number 27. Okay, on page number 27, activity number 8, this is reduced. This is cut down from your syllabus. But activity number 9 you have to do. This is the appreciation of poem, and this time this question is asked for 5 minutes, 5 marks. Okay, that's why activity number 9 you have to study, but activity number 8, this is removed from your syllabus. Next. Okay, this one. Okay, see page number 33. On page number 33, activity number 6. Okay, similarities and contrast. This question also reduced You have to cut it, and other things you have to study. That all is grammar part. Then page number 42. Okay, page number 42, activity number 9. This also reduced from your syllabus. Other parts you have to study. Then page number 43, activity number 11. Reduce this one also. And animal, this poem is very important. You have to study this poem very carefully with all activities. Okay. 2.2, this is also important lesson. You have to study that. Okay. Now page number 56. Okay. Page number 56, activity number 2. This is for your self study, and that's why it is reduced. You have, but this is for self study. It means you have to study that very carefully. Activity number 3, this also reduced. Activity number 4, but on page number 58. Okay, page number 58, the remaining part is totally depend on grammar part. Okay, or some words also, the synonymous, antonyms, and that all things you have to study. This part is not removed. Okay, not reduced. This activity number 10, the following compound words. This is most important. Such type of words may be asked for 1 mark in language studies. That's why you have to study. Okay. Okay, but on page number 60. Oh, okay, open page number 60. Activity number 12, 13 and 14. Activity number 13 and 14. These two activities are reduced. Then next chapter is as it is for your study. Next. Okay, see page number 68. Activity number 10, 11 and 12. These 3 activities are removed from your syllabus. Page number 68. Activity number 10, 11, 12. Okay, these 3 are removed or reduced from your syllabus. Next. Okay, this one. Activity number 8, page number 75. Okay, page number 75, activity number 8. This whole page is reduced from your syllabus. Okay, then these 2 activities. Activity number 3, or page number 77. Page number 77, activity number 3. You have to cut the, because that is removed. But activity number 4. Okay, Nobel Prize for and names, means you have to write any 4 or 5 names of Nobel laureates, and this question you have to study. This is not removed. Okay, this 4, I think there with blue colors, it means you have to study that. It is not reduced. Okay, this one is reduced. Page number 85. Okay, open page number 85, activity number 5. Okay, think and give your own responses. This question also removed. Okay, because these are so much lengthy, and you can study this by yourself. It means these are only for self study. That's why these are removed. Other part you have to study. Okay, that is totally grammar part, and that is the most important. Okay, page number 88, activity number 13. Okay, this one you can see on your screen. Page number 88, activity number 13. This also removed from your syllabus. Then lesson number 2.6, the science and spirituality. This whole lesson it is reduced from your syllabus. That's why you have to not need to study this one. Okay, there may be not a single question in your examination about or on this lesson. Okay, science and spirituality. This whole lesson is reduced from your syllabus for this year. Okay, you can see there are only red cross lines. It means that part is removed from your syllabus. Okay, but okay, there are two activities on page number 78. Okay, page number 78. See, you can see B and C. These blue color activities you have to study. This is only for 1 marks, but we have to study that. Okay, alphabetical order and noun forms of the word. Okay, this is grammar part. That's why you have to study that 2 questions. And after this one also removed. Okay, on page number 98, then activity number 11. This is also grammar part that you have to study. Okay, this blue color tick, it means you have to study that grammar part. Okay, page number 99, activity number 13 and 14. These 2 activities you have to reduce there. You have to cut that because these 2 also didn't ask in your exam. Next. Okay, this one, page number 105, 105. Activity number 7, cut it because this is reduced. Then page number 106, 106, activity number 10. This also reduced. Activity number 10. This is a project, and this is for self-study. You can make your own project. That's why this will not taught in your class. Then next lesson. Page number 113. Okay, 113. Page number 113. Activity number 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, these 4 activities are removed. Page number 113. Okay, 113, 11, 12, 13, and 14. These 4 activities also reduced from your syllabus. Next. This one, page number 120. Okay, page number 120, activity number 6. Explain how the life of Stephen Hawking proves the proverb, every cloud has a silver lining. This question also removed. This is the expansion of proverb, but this is removed. Okay, then activity number 11, page number 121. Page number 121. Activity number 11 and 12. These 2 activities also reduced. You have to cut it. Then 3.4. The Will to Win. This whole poem also reduced from your syllabus. 3.4, The Will to Win. There is no any single question on this poem in your exam. Okay, so this poem is reduced from your, so whole activity is reduced. Okay, all activities are reduced. You can see there. Okay. This poem also reduced. Okay, then activities also, all activities are reduced from your syllabus. It means you have to not study that poem. Okay, the next, okay, page number 134, activity number 5. Okay, 134, activity number 5, fill in the fact file. This question is, because this is a very much lengthy, that's why this is reduced from your syllabus. Activity number 5. Okay, but activity 6 you have to do. This is a diagram you have to fill with the different qualities of Maricom. That's this may be asked for 2 marks in language study, as well as, okay, uh, in the passage question number first. Okay, that's why you have to study that second activity. But activity number 7, okay, page number 134, activity number 7, 8, 9 and 10. 7, 8, 9 and 10, page number 134. These 4 activities you have to cut because these are reduced. Okay, then remaining part you have to study. The remaining part you have to study. Then activity number 15, 17 and 18. 15, 16, 17 and 18. These 4 activities you have to cut or you have to reduce, page number 36. 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, these are that 4 activities. 15, 16, 17 and 18. These 4 activities you have to reduce. Next, okay, this one, page number 143. Page number 143. Activity number 7 and 8. Okay, activity number 7 and 8 you have to remove. Page number 143. Activity number 7 and 8. Reduce it, cut it. Then page number 144. Activity number 10. This also reduced from your studies. Activity number 10, page number 144. Okay, this one you can see. This question also removed. Then 4.1. Think of beauty is joy forever. This poem also reduced from your syllabus. Okay, whole poem is reduced, means all activities also reduced from this poem. 4.1, think of beauty is joy forever. This poem is reduced whole poem. Okay, or with all activities also. But if you want to study this consonants and assonance, these 2 figure of speeches you have to study. Only that 2 things. Other things are reduced from your studies. Okay, this is poem that is reduced from your study. Okay. This is much lengthy poem. All questions are reduced. Okay, so you can see there, page number 149, that 2 activities also reduced and another things are. Okay, so next, okay, page number 155. Okay, 155, page number, activity number 4. Page number 155, activity number 4. Okay, answer in your own word. This also reduced because this is for the self study. Okay, this is for the self study. You have to study that by yourself. Another part you have to do. Then page number 156. Okay, activity number 40. This also you have to cut. This is also reduced. Okay, page number 165, activity number 9. Okay, this one. Page number 165, activity number 9. 165, page number, activity 9. This question also reduced. Then activity number 12 also reduced from page number 166. Okay, activity number 12. Page number 166 reduced it. Then activity number 50, this is a project. This is also for your self-study. That's why this is reduced. Okay, this is for your project. Okay, activity number which 15. Activity number 15, page number 167 and 168. Okay, this activity also removed from your studies. The next. Okay, page number, open textbook, page number 173. Page number 173, activity number 5 and 6. These two activities as well, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, 5, 6, you can see there, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Page number 173. These 4 activities also reduced from your studies. Next. Okay, page number 177. Okay, 177, activity number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These activities also reduced from your studies. A remaining part you have to do. Then page number 178. Okay, page number 178, activity number 9, 10 and 11. These 3 activities also reduced. 9, 10, 11, page number 78. Then last lesson. Okay, the gift of Machai. This also removed from your studies. This whole lesson is removed. Okay, you have to remove this whole lesson from your studies. Okay, you can see on your screen, I did that cross red lines on the text. That it means that lesson is reduced from your studies. Okay, and that question and answers also. Okay, you can see there, question and answer also reduced from your studies. Okay, but okay, just see last grammar activities. Okay, only grammar activities that you have to study from this lesson. Okay, like this WH questions, activity number 11, you have to study. This is a grammar part. Okay, that's why you have to study this. Page number 189. Okay, page number 189. This grammar part you have to study. Okay, WH questions, tag questions, a question tag. Okay, pronoun plus auxiliary verb. This also you have to study. This is all grammar part. Grammar part is not removed. And lastly, you have not study all grammar part. Grammar part is not removed from your studies. Okay, so in this way we have seen which lessons are removed or which activities are removed from our study. Okay, so if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Okay, subscribe this channel and press bell icon. After that you will get the notification of upcoming videos. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.